You're welcome to the Money Doctor YouTube channel. Today, we've got something incredibly important to talk about. Money. Yeah, that's right. The one thing that makes the world go round, but also leaves many of us scratching our heads in confusion. But before we jump right into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Alright, let's get started. Money, whether we like it or not, plays a significant role in our lives. We need it for basics like food, housing, and healthcare. But beyond that, money offers us the freedom to explore new opportunities, to travel, to enjoy luxury vacations, and generally to enjoy life. However, the importance of money isn't just about earning it, it's also about managing it effectively. You see, despite its importance, a lot of people tend to waste or even lose money due to bad financial habits. Many have lost tons of millions in high-risk activities like gambling, betting, to indulgences like partying and thrift shopping. While there's nothing inherently wrong with having fun, it becomes a problem when it eats deeply into your finances and you don't know of a way to stop it. And that's why it is crucial to focus on your financial health, which is basically a measure of your economic stability and freedom. A financially healthy individual doesn't just earn money, but also knows how to manage, save, and invest it effectively. So, how do you get there? The first step is gaining what is known as financial intelligence. This is the ability to understand how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow. Financial intelligence helps you separate good financial habits from bad ones, making it easier for you to achieve your financial goals. You can start gaining financial intelligence by reading books, taking online courses, or even attending seminars. See, the aim is to be proactive in learning how to be smart with your money. And that is primarily what this YouTube channel is for. Once you are equipped with the right knowledge, the next step is to put it into practice. Start by making a budget, cutting down unnecessary expenses, saving consistently, and perhaps most importantly, investing your money wisely. Remember, it is not about how much money you make, but how much of it you get to keep and grow. But also, it is very important to make enough money. That's why on this channel we'll be talking a lot about how you can make more money online. So there you have it, folks. The first step to achieving financial health is gaining financial intelligence and developing good money habits. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and most importantly, a willingness to learn. But trust me, it's worth it. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with anyone you think would benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.